Each morning is a battlefield. The moment your eyes open, the war begins, not with the world, but within. A war against comfort, against hesitation, against the voice that says, "Stay in bed." But you are not here to surrender to softness. You are here to live like a Stoic, deliberate, disciplined, and strong. Marcus Aurelius asked, "Is this what you were made for? To lie under warm blankets and hide from your potential?" No. You were made for action, for responsibility, for the quiet strength of showing up before the world expects you to. Every early morning you rise, you sharpen your mind, you toughen your will, you become harder to break. The bed is a refuge for the weak. The morning is a proving ground for the disciplined. So get up, armor your mind, step into the day like a warrior, because from bed to battle, your mission begins now.